We use the slope formula to find the slope of a line when you don't have to graph it. So the slope formula, m is what we always use to represent slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So when we are going to solve for the slope, the first thing we do is label all of our coordinates. So this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. And now I'm just going to take the numbers that are under them and plug it in. So instead of the y2, I'm going to write that 1 minus, y1 is a 3, over, y2 is negative 2, minus 4. Then I'm going to type that directly in my calculator, exactly as you see it, and I get 1/3 for an answer. So my slope would be to rise 1 and run 3. Let's do the rest of the examples. x1, y1, x2, y2. Now my y2 is a negative 4 minus y1 is a 6 over 2, which is my x2, minus 3. Type that in your calculator. You get a 10. The last one in this section, x1, y1, x2, y2. So that'd be 3 minus 9, those are my y's, 2 minus negative 1. You type that in your calculator and you get a negative 2. These are our special cases, and that just means they're a little weird. So do the same thing. We're going to label x1, y1, x2, y2. So I say 2 minus 2 over negative 5 minus 3. When you get that in your calculator, it would actually be 0 over negative 8, which turns out if there's 8 slices of pizza, but you have 0 of them, you have 0. Your answer is 0. That means there's no slope. 0 slope. Let's do this next one. x1, y1, x2, y2. 5 minus 8 over negative 7 minus negative 7. When you type that in your calculator, if you type it correctly, it will say an error. That's because you end up with negative 3 out of 0. So if you have no pizza and you take 3 slices, well, you can't do that because you have no pizza. So this is not possible. So we say that there is no solution. This is undefined. All right, I want you to use the formula that we just went over and do the next, how many pages? 1, 2. You got the next 2 pages to do. Turn that into me.